nice morning out here at Hollister Hills, slightly overcast, but mild temps. It is Sunday, March 15th, and this is the race event this month. So I'm going out to the track now to start filming at the beginning of the 500cc class race. This is the 500cc class, and they're warming up as we anticipate the beginning of the first race, the first moto, 500. There will be two motos for each class today, and best overall takes the win. Scanning across, this is Hollister Hills State Recreational Vehicle Area. This is the Motorcycle Park. It's approximately 8,000 acres of trails expressly for motorcycle riding. This is really a fun place. This is where Stan taught me how to ride. We used to come and camp for whole weekends. Very fun. Up there on the hill, that's Radio Ridge. That's where we parked our trailer last night and spent the night. False start. Flagging for the race today. Everybody helps out when they're not riding. This is a great spot to take photos at. This is where I get the guys in the air. Okay, here they come. This is the 500 class. To the last set of turns. Mascot Doug Brown again. The 500cc class race. This is the second moto of the 500cc classes, and again, two classes are run, and then the scores are tallied, and the best overall becomes how the places are determined for winners. And in these races, everybody gets a trophy, and as you can see over there on the trail, there's a little mishap, got a little emergency action going on, no doubt an injury. Hope everything's all right.